The balloon is inserted through the mouth into the stomach by what is called an endoscopic procedure. The supervising physician will initially look at the stomach through an endoscopic camera. If no abnormalities are seen, he will then proceed with the placement of the balloon, which is inserted while it's in its compact, deflated form. The swallowing process involved is made easier with the help of light sedation. Once inside the stomach, the balloon is immediately filled with sterile water through a small filling tube, catheter, attached to the balloon. The balloon has a self-sealing valve, and once it is filled, the catheter is gently removed, and when the balloon is full, it is too large to pass into the bowel. Placement procedure times vary, but it usually takes between 20 and 30 minutes. The balloon is normally removed in the same way it was placed, via the esophagus and the mouth. Prior to removal, you will be given a light sedation. Using an endoscopic camera, the doctor will introduce a catheter through the mouth into the stomach. The balloon will then be punctured, and the sterile water will be sucked up through the puncture tube. Once the balloon is completely deflated, it can be grasped and removed out through your mouth.